Are you ready to fire your boss? Are you ready to become the boss? Are you ready to change the lives of children globally and help refine adults? Hi, I'm Jackie Vernon Thompson, your favorite etiquette consultant and owner of From the Inside Out School of Etiquette. We need you to join this life changing industry of etiquette by registering for our upcoming Certified Etiquette Consultant 5-week masterclass via Zoom. That means you may join us from anywhere in the world. You will learn all things etiquette on several topics. You will learn how to effectively teach children and adults virtually and in person in such a way to motivate them to adjust to the new way of doing things. Once completed, you will receive your certification of completion and become the next certified etiquette consultant. The absolute best part is that I will be your mentor for life. Class begins April 11th and will be Mondays and Thursdays at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you miss a class, no worries. Each class is recorded and you automatically receive the recording. Register now at www.fromtheinsideoutsoe.com/certification or simply click the link in the remarks. See you in class.